Yeah, so good day people. My name is Afolayan Sukomi. So I'll be taking us on how to make video animation on our smartphone. So the first step is for us to open our browser. So the site we'll be making use of is renderforest.com. So when you get to the page, it brings out something like this. So you are going to click on this top right corner over here, and then you see sign in. You click on sign in, and then you enter your Gmail. You are going to enter your Gmail and your password just to log into the site. It doesn't really have an effect on whatever you are doing unless you want to purchase premium account at gmail.com, and then I will input my password. And then you sign in. When you are done with your email and your password, you sign in. And then the site brings you here where you have different templates that you use for your video animation. But since we want to make an example, we'll be using whiteboard animation toolkit for an example. So you click on whiteboard animation toolkit, and then you scroll down. You see create now. You click on create now, and then you see 3 ways which you can use to create a video. You see add scene, load the preset, and type your script. The add scene, you have to be choosing the scenes one after the other, and that one would take time. The load the presets, they are already made stories that you choose from and then you start editing. But that one also, you have to look for the one that that is in line with what you are doing, and it will also take time. So typing your script will probably be the best, and you must have written your storyline somewhere. So you click on type your script. So here it says please use period after each sentence or use new line. So and it says try to be short if you want to show check marks in the video use. So when you finish each line, we must move to the next paragraph to start the new scene. Like after one line, that one will be a scene, and then the next paragraph will be another scene, like that. So when you are done with your script, the site will even help you divide the videos, so you see it when we are done. Now let's use like a cartoon video advertisement for an example. So we start load there. So after we are done, now we move to the next paragraph. Do you know you can get a cartoon picture of yourself and loved ones? So when we are done, move to the next paragraph again. You don't need to look so far. Then we'll move to the next one again. Something got you covered. Contact us on WhatsApp on 08065825191. So we are done with the script now. You click on generate project, and you see how the site will help us divide it into first scene, second scene, and so on. So when you click on generate project, you can see that the site has helped us divided it. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on the video animation now, you'll be having like 5 scenes, and when you are good with it, you click on generate project again. So it brings us here now. So you see the help us put all the necessary images that will be needing on each one. And then if you are not okay with the image on a particular one, you come down to the particular place. You see 3 dots down here. You click on it. It is either for you to duplicate, replace, rearrange, or delete. But since we are good with everything here, you can just cancel it. And when we are good, we click on the next one. It is for us to choose the mode of the whiteboard animation. So you click on it. You can either choose the board drawn on or the cut paper, but we'll be choosing the board drawn on for this example. So when you are done, you click on the next one here. It is color, so you click on it. So there are different colors you can change it to. You click on this main color over here, and then you see colors that you can choose from: green, blue, and so on. But we'll be choosing black for this example. So you click on black and you click confirm, and then you can see the color has changed to black. So when we are good, we move to the next one, which is adding song or music to the video. Click on it. So to add music, the site has already put down some music, so we come to add music down here. You click on it, and then it brings out different music you can add to the video. So when you want to try to listen to the music, you click on this left hand side where it has the play button. So you click on it, and when you are good with any of the songs or the music, you click on the plus sign on the right hand side. So let's just choose this infinite achievement. Click on the plus button. Yes. So you can see here now the music is already added to the video. So when you are done, you can listen to it with this play button by the left hand side. So when you are done, you click on the next one, which is the preview button. You click on it, and then you see the different qualities you can use to save the video. But since we are not playing, the HD export is a paid one, so we just click on free preview. The video is processing. You have to wait for it. Says your video is in a queue, so you have to wait. It is now exporting. Okay, so the video has finished exporting. So on the next video, I'll be teaching us how to remove the watermark that is over here, that the site will put on any video you make on the site. This is created by Render for it. It is a watermark. So on the next video, I'll be teaching us how to remove it. So to download our video, you see a download icon here. So you click on it, and then you download, and then you are done with the video. So on the next video, I'll be teaching us how to remove the watermarking. Thank you for listening.